Hi, in this video I am going to show you the authentic way of cooking rice which is more healthy. I am going to use my authentic style rice pot. In this pot we can cook 1 3/4 cup of rice at a time. It has a special lid with the holes in it to drain the starch when the rice is cooked. So I'm going to take 1 3/4 cup of rice, and this is boiled rice. I prefer boiled rice because it is the most nutritious one. Wash the rice thoroughly at least 3 to 4 times and drain the water. Then soak it with drinking water for at least 30 to 60 minutes. If you are in a hurry, I would suggest you soak it at least for 15 minutes. Turn on the stove on high medium and add the water into the pot, at least 3/4 of the pot. Keep it covered for the initial steam. Once the water is hot, you can add the soaked rice, or you could still wait for the water to boil and then add. Both are okay. Stir occasionally. If preferred, you could keep it covered to speed up the process of cooking. But by doing this, water may tend to overflow, so you will have to open it and stir frequently. Then check if the rice is cooked well. There is no particular time that a rice can be expected to be cooked completely. Each type of rice takes its own time. When the rice is soft and fully cooked, turn off the stove and cover it with the lid. Secure the lid to the pot with the clips and then drain the water out of the pot. I'm going to drain it into a bowl because I am going to show you how this drained starch can be used for other purposes. Remove the pot from the bowl once all the starch is drained. This starch can become an energy drink for your kids. You can just add a little bit of salt and serve it warm to them. They love it because of the smooth texture. And this can also be used to starch your cotton clothes by diluting it with little more water. Now let's check the texture of the rice. As I transfer it to this bowl, you can see that the rice is not mushy or sticky. It's the perfect consistency, very soft and healthy too. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please do subscribe for my channel. There are more tips and notes and slow cooking method at the end of this video. Thank you.